year, you had good fights. A lot of people showed up. You had great fighters. Roberto Duran, it's just been out of this world. It also gives these kids a chance to perform in front of sometimes their idols. So it's a beautiful thing. Like I said, it's just a great weekend, something I love. And I'm glad to see you doing it. I'm always gonna try to support you when you do it.
Lennox, Lewis, and I'm not disputing that. Expo, excellent. I'm so happy, man. I was here from this morning. I'm still hyped. You know, so many fans coming to see me from all over the place, and I love them just like how they love me. I'm the best. I lay them all to rest. Let's go. Let's go.
I feel great. I feel to be here. And then I feel happy because there's a lot of Mexican people here. I feel very happy. We are here, maybe next year.
Thank you for all the love and support. Tune in, baby. The dynasty's here to stay.
And we got Fernando right here, baby.
And a lot of big things coming. Don't miss it. You also got my brother Amavo.
Box Fan Expo, you already know what it is. Vargas Dynasty, we in the building, baby.
The legend himself.
Youngest junior middleweight champion in boxing history. 6 Olympian, 3-time world champion.
Yes, sir. We got the champ right here.
Very nice. A lot of people is coming watching to me. Get me very happy. Gracias por toda la invitación for me.
An iconic moment for us, for the Box Fan Expo, guys.
Okay, thank you.
Yo, what's up, guys? Ladies and gentlemen, it is the Teofimos, the dynamic duo. We here at the Box Fan Expo, and what we gotta say, it turned out to be a great event. We had a whole bunch of phenomenal people here. We interacted, had a lot of young kids, shadow boxing. Let's get it.
Let's get it.